Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how we can install the VS Code editor. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share with your friends. And I'll just visit my website over here. So I have just visit www.arkprocoder.com. So that is a blog page. So here in the previous video, I've showed you how to what are the best VS Code themes and how we can install the Python. Now the things comes, we have to code a Python, we have to write the programming, and we have to create development projects and all those things, right? So which is the best editor I can just suggest you is the VS Code editor. So which has a very good UI design, very good typing skills over there, and a lot of suggestions I've been getting over there. And I can just say it is the top of the top. Okay, so I have said here in the blog how we can download and install the VS Code editor for the Windows. I'll just open this link over here. So yeah, I'll just zoom a little bit. So here I have said first step, I need to visit the Chrome and search for the VS Code editor. Okay, so I'll just tell here download VS Code for Windows. So the first link which I'm going to get, just click onto that particular link. So I'll be getting this kind of page I have just specified. Even you can directly click onto this link. I'll be providing the link to the description over here. So it is around of 88 MB. So you can see whichever the operating system you like, Windows, the Linux or a Mac, whichever you have, just click onto that link. So once I click onto it, automatically it is going to download into this. So you can see it is of 88 MB over here. So once it is downloaded, so I'm just going to open the particular steps. Everything the step by step I have specified over here. So then the next step, I'll be getting the installation that we have to agree that we have to just save the particular agreement over here. I'll just close this Windows editor. So already it is open, so it's giving me the stuffs. So I'm just going to in the download page. So I'll just double tap into that. So I'll just click on double tap into the VS Code editor over here. So I'll be getting this kind of agreement, that is a license agreement. I'll just click onto the accept and click onto the next. So here it is a very important step here. So whenever we are getting this kind of check boxes, just create a desktop icon so that we can able to see this kind of text icon, and here enable all the checkboxes over here. Why I'm going to say here is it is telling add open with the code for the Windows Explorer. So now if I want to just open this e-commerce web application, if I right click, so you can see I'll be getting open with code option over here. So if you are enabling all these checkboxes, you will be getting that kind of open with code option, or else it might not get. Even if you are in the Windows 11, there will be a show more option. If you just click onto it, you will be seeing the open with code option over here. So it is why I'm just saying, then just click onto the next. If I'll just tell add Python to the path, I'll just click onto the next and just click onto the install. So already I have installed the VS Code into my system. This is going to install it. So once you have installed the VS Code editor, so I'm just going to open that thing into my terminal. So if I just open the VS Code editor over here, so you can see I'll be getting this kind of page, something like this. So if I just close the editor, I'll just close all the folders. So whenever you are opening a VS Code editor for the first time, so it will be looking something like this. Welcome, just you will be getting trust authorities, just give the access for the stuffs. So just accept that agreement and just give the trust issues access for the Windows editor. Okay, so here if I just show you, I'll just select the particular color theme over here. So in the color theme, I'm just going to select it as, so which I can just select Dracula over here. So or else I'm just going to select for the Cobalt. So I can just select it the color theme as Cobalt 2. Okay, so already I have shown you in my previous video. So just search for the blog. So it is the blog I have said over here. So how we can what all the best themes for the VS Code editor. So here I have said it here. So these are all the dark clothes I have said you in the YouTube video. You can just go and watch it. Link will be provided in the description. So here I'm just gonna show you how we can open a folder into the VS Code. Suppose I want to open a folder, I'll just click onto the file. I'm just going to click onto the open folder here. So basically I'm just going to open into the F drive. So I'm just going to open the particular the folder as Amruta over here. So the VS Code, I'm just going to open one particular folder that is about the some of the project is there over here, right? So I can just open the project. If I just open the things, it's going to look something like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you few of the tips of the VS Code editor. Now see, if I just press Ctrl and click on to the scroll the mouse, it is going to the zoom in and zoom out. So how do I get that one? So I'll just click on to the settings. I'll just go back to the settings here. So if I just search for the zoom, if I just search for the zoom, so we'll be having a mouse with zoom. So just it will be defaultly, it will be unchecked. Just click onto the checkbox, so it will be checked over here. So this is a one step, one particular suggestion. So now see, if I just press Ctrl D, so the same line is getting copied below, right? So this thing, how I have enabled, again just click onto this setting over here. There will be a keyboard shortcuts, click onto it. So here search for the copy line down. So you can see there will be Alt Shift plus D, something might be. So we can edit whatever the shortcuts I like. I'll just click onto this button. I'll just press Ctrl D and enter it. So whenever I press Ctrl D now, it has set the particular setting. So whenever I want to copy line, I'll just press Ctrl D. Same line is going to get copied down. So it is going to save a lot of time over here. Okay. So basically now if I just come back to the templates, and if I want to just go to the CSV file, here there are all the .coms over here, right? So there are the red gmail.coms, like few of the gmail.coms are there. So if I just press Ctrl F, so if I want to just change it, the Gmail to something, if I want to just change it to the Gmail, Gmail, Gmail to, if I want to just change it for Yahoo, Yahoo, just Ctrl H, you can just select whatever you want to change it and just replace with that. If I just press on to the second logo, you can see everywhere, wherever the Gmail was there, everywhere it changed it to @yahoo.com. So these are some of the dummy emails. So you don't try to send the emails. So it is some dummy emails over here. Okay. So this is the one more shortcuts. So the next shortcuts I can just show you here is, so if I just the next shortcut I can just say you here is, we can just download the extension, whatever the extension, whichever you want from here. Like if I want to download the HTML snippets, so basically the HTML snippets I can just download it. So boiler template, if I just click on to the first link, I can install the HTML snippets over here. So which is going to provide the shortcuts for the HTML pages and all those things. Even we can install Django, we can install the Python as well. If I just click on to the search for the Python, so if I just search for the Python, even I can just install the Python code, because this is going to give you the lot of suggestion at the time of typing, which is going to save you a lot of time over here. Okay, so these are one more shortcuts which I want to say. Now if I just press Control and backticks, so I can see the terminal is going to get open over here. Okay, so the shortcut is Control and backticks. Whenever I run that one, it is going to open the stuffs over here. So now if I want to go one folder backward, I can just tell cd ... If I enter one cd ... you can see one folder backside I went it. So if I want to go to the one folder backward, I'll just tell cd A, and if I just press tab, you can see automatically it is going to show you which folder you want to go. If I want to go to the AI Robo, so I have went into the AI Robo folder over here. So if I want to just come back to the Amruta folder, I can go one folder back, I'll just tell AMR Amruta folder. So I came into the same folder whichever I am here right now. Okay, so this is how we can, this is one more shortcut. So defaultly whenever I select the terminal, even I can select the terminal from here as well. If I select here, so I can just select the PowerShell or Git command, whatever the terminal you like, we can open. If I just select as a command prompt, so I can say I can just select the particular command prompt as well, like this. Okay, so this is a one more shortcut. So whichever we can just want, you can just go and do it like that. So now if I just click on to the one more shortcuts, and if I want to say you something, so these are appearance are there, and so you can just explore all the things are there over here. So these are very important things which I wanted to say you. So now see, if I want suppose if I'll just show you one more thing. So I have a about.html page. I want to split it into the two style. So there is a one more option, that is the split editor. If I just click on it, you can see the things is been changed over here. I can just set the particular contact to here. So if I just select, you can see I can open side by side stuff. If I just click here, so the two particular split I can do it into the VS Code editor. Okay, so these all of the very beautiful for our time of typing it, and for the running the servers and connecting, creating a fully fledged project. So VS Code editor is the best editor, I can just say you. So you can just download it, and I have written a blog for it. So you can refer this entire blog, whatever I have shown you here, and you can just install it into your laptop. I hope you guys like this video. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.